Hey, if you're looking for real ways to earn extra cash online, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video about making money online. And tell me in the comments which country you're watching from. I'm always creating new videos for different regions, and your comment helps me know what to make next. Alright, let's talk about EveryoneSez, one of the easiest ways to get paid for your opinions, especially if you love entertainment, movies, and music. EveryoneSez is a brand new paid survey panel where you can literally get paid just for sharing your thoughts on the things you already care about. Here's how it works. Signing up is totally free, and the process is super fast. I timed myself. I was done in about 2 minutes. All you have to do is fill out some basic info about yourself, like your age, gender, household income, and education. This just helps the site match you with surveys that actually fit your interests. After that, just verify your email and you're good to go. Now, there are 2 types of surveys on EveryoneSez. First, there are the paid surveys. These are the ones you want to look out for. They can come from EveryoneSez or their partner research companies. Each survey tells you exactly how many points you'll earn and about how long it'll take, so you know what you're getting into right from the start. The second type is profile surveys. These don't pay as much, but they're still important. They help the site learn more about you, so you get matched with more and better paid surveys. Whenever you see one pop up, just take a minute to fill it out. It's worth it in the long run because it means more earning opportunities. EveryoneSez is currently available for people in the United States. The best part? You can redeem your points for a bunch of different rewards, like free gift cards or PayPal cash. So whether you want to treat yourself to something fun or just snag a little extra spending money, there's something for everyone. If you've tried EveryoneSez or if you have questions about how it works, I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your experience could help someone else in the community. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you never miss a new way to make money online. See you in the next one.